The judge agreed that the case should be heard in Los Angeles and not New York. A judge has reportedly sided with Olivia Wilde amid her custody battle with ex-fiancé Jason Sudeikis over their 2 children. On Wednesday, a judge dismissed the custody petition filed by Sudeikis and agreed that their case should be heard in Los Angeles and not in New York, which Sudeikis considered home for the family through the year, according to court documents obtained by People magazine on Wednesday. Olivia Wilde holds an envelope reading personal and confidential as she speaks on stage during the Warner Bros. Pictures The Big Picture presentation during CinemaCon 2022 at Caesars Palace in Las Vegas, April 26, 2022. Doherty/Getty Images. FILEThe petition had been at the center of headlines after the papers were served to Wilde publicly while she was on stage during a presentation of her upcoming film Don't Worry Darling at CinemaCon in Las Vegas. Wilde and Sudeikis share 2 children, Otis, 8, and Daisy, 5. The former couple co-starred in Drinking Buddies and began dating in 2011 before getting engaged 2 years later. They split in November 2020. Wilde is currently dating singer Harry Styles, who stars in Don't Worry Darling. A source told Good Morning America in April that Sudeikis was unaware of the manner and timeline of the delivery of the documents. But now, Wilde is accusing Sudeikis of embarrassing her professionally. Jason's actions were clearly intended to threaten me and catch me off guard, Wilde alleged in her recent filing, obtained by the Daily Mail. He could have served me discreetly, but instead he chose to serve me in the most aggressive manner possible. The fact that Jason would embarrass me professionally and put our personal conflict on public display in this manner is extremely contrary to our children's best interests, she added. Olivia Wilde and Jason Sudeikis are pictured in a composite file image. Getty Images. FILEIn response. Sudeikis said that he deeply regrets what happened and reiterated he had no control over it. Olivia's talk was an important event for Olivia, both professionally and personally, and I am very, very sorry that the incident marred her special moment, Sudeikis Apollo. While co-parenting between the 2 seemed amicable, things have gotten complicated as they figure out where their kids will grow up. Attorney Sara Singer, who represents neither Wilde nor Sudeikis, says what's at stake in the now high-profile custody case is which laws apply to it. Different laws in different states are going to affect how a time-sharing schedule is established, how child support is established, Singer said.